writing a postcard. Yes, let's write this postcard for all my earthlings. Wish you were here. Yes, that's right. Wish you were here in Oxford. Who on earth is right here, right now, disturbing me, my 2022 vacation? Yes, that's right. I'm breaking out this dimension that they're creating for everybody, for all the earthlings, and make out your own dimension and get out in a great escape. Yes, that's right. Coming out the great escape, you need a great plan. And who better than the Verminer man coming from Verminer with a great escape? Let's see who it is right now. Hello there, earthlings. It's world famous Verminer man to see you. Hope you well and finding fit. Well, you heard what I was saying. I'm writing on a postcard for you subscribers, wishing you all a happy new year for 2022. And like I said, it's all about the great escape. So I am in the heart of the city centre Oxford, and where I am staying today, I am staying at Marriott Courtyard Hotel, which is right near the city centre, which is 15 Paradise Close, and there are a lot of local attractions. We'll be also going to right on top of the rooftop view. We'll be able to see the medieval iconic Oxford Castle, which is right behind my window. I'll be showing you right now in a minute. And I've got a great view. Yes, that's right. So I am staying at room number 328. Yes, that's right. If you just come this way, I will open this curtain, this net up, and you can see the view of this Oxford Castle. Wow, look at that. And my Verminer ship is parked right out that fortress behind there, having a good old technician look down, making sure that I can take off safely as well, and they can give it a good wash as well while we're on Earth. But look at that. Yes, right. What a ruin it is, but there you go. And there's nice river lake running down the bottom as well, if you can see that as well. Well, as I said, I'm in Oxford right now, and there are a lot of attractions here. There's actually a Carfax Tower, Christ Church College Library, College, which a Harry Potter famous film was shoot as well. Yes, that's right. And there's also another attraction, Radcliffe Square, Sheldon Theatre, Ashmolean Museum, and going, as you know, I don't know if you know or not, but I'm going to Bicester Village. Yes, that's right. All about fashion. And talking about fashion, I need to be presentable as well. So today I've come up with an outfit which you guys will like. So today I'm wearing a 2-in-1 reversible jacket with the Dolce & Gabbana. Yes, that's right. Dolce & Gabbana reversible jacket. One's a jean and one's like a material there as well. And then also I've got the Dolce & Gabbana ring there as well. Dolce & Gabbana earrings as well. The Dolce & Gabbana King's style collection as well. Hat, beanie hat. And also got a Dolce & Gabbana sweater as well, keep me nice and warm in this cold weather. And also got the Dolce & Gabbana jeans as well. Look at that, Dolce & Gabbana. Then also got the Dolce & Gabbana belt here as well, as you can see. And also got the Dolce & Gabbana trainers here as well, sneakers. Yes, that's right. And talking about Dolce & Gabbana, I have actually got the Dolce & Gabbana wallet as well. Yes, that's right. And on top of that, I need to carry some bags as well. There's a Dolce & Gabbana bag there, hollow bag, and a Dolce & Gabbana satchel bag. Yes, that's right. Some more Dolce & Gabbana out right now. Anyway, as I was saying in my last video, it's all about building up the immune system. I was having some light snacks as well. Let me have a quick drink as well. And like I said last time, you need to build up the immune system. These are vitamin C and zinc lozenges as well, and also vitamin D tablets you can take as well to build up the immune system. Like I said, there's only one man who's going to make this pandemic all clear, and that's me, the Verminer man. And anyway, so we're going to give you a quick tour around in this room that I'm staying right now. There's actually a nice picture there of Oxford. Yep, nice deco system there. we've got a nice lighting system, table lamp as well. So if you want to write some memoirs or a diary, I was writing my postcard for you Earthlings. Yes, right. And also, there's a nice king-size bed. And as you can see, they've decorated really nicely. And there's a lighting system here as well, so that you can actually turn on these lights up and down. And as you can see, this light comes on as well. And there's a clock, alarm clock. There are some shelving here. And I'm sitting on this nice chair here as well. There's a stool there. You can actually hang your clothes there right now. Yes, right. 2022, the Verminer Man is here at the Courtyard Marriott in Oxford. Yes, right. It's all about the great escape and escaping from the picture they're drawing for you and get out and about. So here we also got a nice bathroom shower system here. We have the conditioner, shampoos, bathroom suite with a shower system and the mirrors as well. And you also have a nice mirror as well here. You got a king size bed. Yes, excuse my Dolce Gabbana bag here right now, and because I've just arrived. And also postcards or memos, and you have a nice view of the Oxford car. Earthlings, it's all about the great escape. So if a man can escape from this prison drawing they're doing for you in this 2022, it's all about getting out. So my YouTube channel is playing right now, and enjoy the channel and enjoy the celebrations for 2022. So see you all and keep watching, because I'm smiling for you, Earthlings.